अडानी के नौकर कहां?
नहीं, no, it's not going on record. Srimati Vandana Chavan ji, it's not going on the record. No, this is not outside this is outside the bill. Srimati Vandana Chavan ji. Vandana ji is not there. Shri Kanak Medala Ravindra Kumar ji. Shri K. Ravindra Kumar ji. Please continue.
Sir, thank you, Deputy Chairman ji, for giving this opportunity. This
Going on record, accepting Shri Ravindra Kumar ji.
That the existing appellate bodies
Please continue.
transfer their functions to other existing judicial bodies. The government has brought before this August House an exhaustive bill which seeks to make reforms in as many as 23 tribunals that were established and administered by 19 different acts. In the statement of object and reasons, the government has stated that there is considerable expenses to the public exchequer due to the setting up of various tribunals, appellate tribunals under different statutes. Hence, it wants to rationalize the tribunal in the form of reforms. It is acceptable to everyone. It welcomes up that the government has brought out this exhaustive bill to replace the ordinance. There cannot be any second opinion in this regard. But this, at the time of the passing of this bill, I draw the attention of the Honourable Minister. This Honourable Supreme Court also has observed that the tribunals have not been fulfilled despite of the directions of the judiciary. The members have not been appointed so far. That is also to be taken into consideration. I want to suggest few suggestions with regard to this bill. That number one, enhance the strength of the High Court judges in order to meet the present requirement and by virtue of this amendment. Number two, constitute more civil courts with all infrastructure in order to meet the amendments in this bill. Fill up the vacancies of the judges in all high courts and subordinate courts. Search committee has to be modified because the role of executive is more than the judiciary. I request the Honourable Minister, the role of judiciary is much more than the executive. And the eligibility criteria for appointment of a member of the tribunal on par with the High Court judges to be taken into consideration. Likewise, while appointing the members of the tribunals, regular practicing advocates to be considered for appointment as tribunal members.
Please conclude.
Appropriate.
You have 3 minutes. Please conclude.
Steps have to be taken before passing this bill. And also one more important aspect, pendency will be increased before the High Court by virtue of these amendments. Therefore, the budget for judiciary has to be increased in order to meet all the demands and also to develop the infrastructure and also to provide all amenities to the judicial officers. Ultimately, I support this bill. I request this Honourable Minister to consider this.
Thank you. Shri Binoy Biswam ji. Shri Binoy Biswam ji. Shri